Yeah, I must be blind cause the way that it's looking, I'm trying, but I don't see no competition. I got success in my future, man, how do I know it? This prophecy, no premonition. I'm not afraid of your partners, they talk a big game, but they really just softer than in it.
Yo, what up? Doing another day in the life video, weekend edition. Yeah, I work on the weekends. We're gonna go through one of my days and hopefully you'll learn something as well. Let's get it. So the first thing I'm about to do is film some content for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Vertical content. And I post the same shit on each platform, but I do make specific vertical content. Some people, they'll just make long form content and just clip it, and that's cool. I do that sometimes too, but I like to make specific content for short form. And when I do it, I batch my content. This is very important. If you want to be prolific with short form content, you got to batch it. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna go to the pool with my girl. We got a lot of scripts ready and I have a bunch of different clothes. So I'm just gonna change clothes a bunch of times and we're gonna try to bang out 30, 40 videos. Let's go. All right, so we coming out here to the pool area of the condo, and this is where we shooting a lot of the content for that.
Told him pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going stupid like they drop.
This is my camera woman for today.
For today?
You know, most of the time. The hardest part about filming with her is not getting an erection on camera. In order to mitigate that, we just crop it out. So we film a lot standing up. We pick different locations. I keep changing. Sometimes I film like some of the short form content in this jacuzzi. Especially, it's kind of chilly today. It's Miami chilly, which is 70 degrees. All right, so we filming some of this in the hot tub. Now look at this view. Okay. How many videos we got so far? 18 videos. Some standing here, some in the hot tub. We're gonna get some more standing ones. This background. Camera woman looking beauty. Oh, she's edited them. She scripted them. All right, so we done filming. We did over 20 videos. Now she taking selfies and shit. So I got a few things, few supplements I'm taking. One, Cialis, take this every day, helps you build, it actually helps you build muscle. There's tons of studies that show it helps you build muscle. I'm gonna inject glutathione. This is really good for your immune system. Obviously, testosterone. And we're gonna get some vitamin B. So here's the injections. This is the testosterone. This is the glutathione. This is something called Pregnal. They said I should take this if I ever want to have kids again. And then this is vitamin B. Now we about to go shoot a podcast. She wanted to come with me because she can't stand being away from Poppy.
How was the podcast?
Oh, it was fantastic. I learned a lot about the small game. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Was this the best podcast you've been on, or the greatest?
It was the best one.
Yeah,
It's dope. Good, easy, quick, like in and out. You know, that's all you need. This is it.
So, yo, what's your Instagram?
At Smogking, SMOGKING.
Yeah, man. He gave us a new way to get money that I never even thought about. Emissions testing.
State mandate.
Yeah.
You drive a car, you gotta get it.
You gotta get it. A car with gas, right? Cars don't have to get.
California is rolling that out too. VSSI checks, vehicle safety systems inspection checks. Oh, real much made normal.
Oh yeah, so you goddamn Kessler gotta get. Yeah. Oh shit.
All right, so what's about to happen now is that me and my girl, we going to this event at Cartier. They invite their high value customers to events like this. So we about to show up, and then after this, I'm gonna go to the game with the homie Jeremy. We sit courtside. I might change, even though I love Cartier, I might put the RM on at the game just to flex on these motherfuckers, you know. But for the Cartier event, I'm gonna wear the Cartier watch. Yo, my girl got me this watch with her own money. You wear your Cartier to the event? Oh, you got your Cartier on.
My matching rings.
Yeah, these is Tiffany, but still, it's fine. You still shining.
We linked everything.
So
Rolex.
This is Rolex. This is like just your friend's brand. Cartier, Tiffany. I got Cartier.
And we're about to get some.
Dimitri, my nigga Dimitri. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, Dimitri made that too. Shout out to my man Dimitri, my jeweler in NYC.
You know the vibes out on this side. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for.
All right, so they just opened up this location. You know what I'm saying? And they had to invite the big dogs out here. I got a watch I'm thinking about buying. I probably won't buy it today because I got some other shit to take care of, but it's pretty hard.
Put it to the test, I can win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex, cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah.
Man, it feels like nothing. So it's the titanium Santos is brand new. I got the regular one. This is titanium, it's heavy and it won't scratch. Like this bezel is prone to scratch. This one don't scratch, man. This one we can wear this anywhere, do anything with it. This one I wear it all the time, but this one.
I be in my head late at night, just contemplating all of my goals. Will I fold or will I chase them? I got adversity, 2 options. I can handle it purposefully or I can.
Yeah, so I'm thinking like this watch like be my travel watch because you only need one. I can do anything. You can wear this with a suit. I can wear it in the gym, jump out a moving car.
I look inside the devil's eyes and I can't see a damn thing. Play my angel wings, I told the devil that I got his back. 40 on my wrist, I'm talking about scars, but still we count. Shoving nails inside my eyes.
Now she thinks she want to go in Fendi. That's her favorite brand. How many Fendi purses you got?
So we got 4 Sunshines, which they don't make no more. So
They don't even make them no more.
what is it, maybe 6?
6 Fendi purses? Some shit. All right, so we stopped to get something to eat. We gotta hurry up and eat because I gotta catch the game tonight. The Heat game. You know, I couldn't. How do I say no to this? Now. All right, so we back from Cartier and dinner, and now I got to change watches, put the RM on, and go to the Heat game. Gotta wear the RM at the Heat game because I got to flex because we sitting courtside. You know what it is. Well, you probably don't know what it is, but you about to learn. Let's go. So when you sit in the regular seats, you got to go up here on the side in the front of the arena and wait in that long line. But if you see the courtside, there's a different line, and there's really no line. You just walk through.
Taking big shots, just stop when I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
Yo, man, tell the people what it's like sitting courtside, man.
You know, this is like the splash zone. You get in the, you gotta have fast hands. Yeah. Our hitters literally make it when landing for the section into you can fuss a boot them off. You gotta, you know, get too good. And then on top of that, when you get, show them the hoop, show them. When you get a dunk, it's like you getting dunked on.
It's like you get dunked on.
We're talking hella shit to everybody and they use word for word. You can cuss out the ref. He may team you up, you know?
Yeah, I'm killing it, I'm the realest. Ain't gotta say, gotta know you feel it. My flow got a code, sick as the illest. I know that I'm great and they about to witness me going in. I went way up, gotta go again. You see me on the telly, then you tell a friend. Cause you know I'm about to rain, it'll never end. Cause I got big dreams, big goals, never settle.
So we get the chicken tenders every game. I can't weigh it. So I take a picture of it and put it in ChatGPT and tell me how many ounces it is. Obviously, I don't eat the fries, only the chicken tenders.
Yeah. My tender says I can have 3 tenders, that's it.
Fourth quarter about to start. Heat is up 4.
He almost cursed us, man. The Heat got a third quarter curse.
Yeah.
They almost got it.
You know I'm about to rain, it'll never end. Cause I got big dreams, big goals, never settle, gotta keep them going now. You say you got it in a Red Bull, I got the wings and I ain't coming down.
So the Heat lose. Can't win them all, I guess.
Child does, but You know who can win them all?
All right, so I just got back from the gang. You know, the Heat lost, obviously, can't win them all. But you don't want to lose in 2026, right? It's about to be the new year. You want to make sure you winning. So I got something to help you. I got a free ebook to show you how to make your first $5,000 as an online trainer, all right? And this will even work, even if you are an online trainer, if you've already started your business or if you haven't. If you've got experience as a trainer or if you never trained nobody in your life, this will work for you. All you gotta do is follow the steps. It's free. Link in the description, download that. And hope y'all enjoyed the vlog.